Meteorologist Joe Hansel here. So I'm going to take the next 2 minutes to give you all the general forecast info on Hurricane Laura. It's massive. It currently owns the Gulf of Mexico currently, and there's nothing to really stop it except for land. So I will say off the bat, if you're in areas that need information specifically, like specific information on how to prepare or evacuation orders, follow your local authorities on info like that. That's not what I do. I will give you forecast info on Hurricane Laura. Also worth noting, if you're one of those folks that is driving towards Laura to experience what a major hurricane will feel like or get footage or whatever, be very safe as you do so. Don't put yourself in harm's way. It's your life is always more important than getting the shot. All right, let's dive into Laura. It's a Category 3. That makes it a major hurricane with winds at 115 miles per hour. Waking up just after sunrise, you can see a well-defined eye wall right in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, essentially. So Houston, hurricane watches out. Hurricane warnings in areas of southeast Texas, southwest Louisiana from about Galveston to Beaumont to areas of Lake Charles in southwest Louisiana. Water levels are already starting to rise. Storm surge watches and warnings are out. Stay out of the water. Storm surge could get around 10 to 15 feet or so near the Lake Charles, Louisiana area. And storm surge itself might push inland about 30 miles. There's a lot of momentum with this sucker here as it will still possibly get into Category 4 strength sometime today. Could be a major hurricane when it hits landfall somewhere in between the Louisiana state and Texas state lines, bringing with it a moderate risk of flash flooding. As far north as areas of the southern tip of Illinois for basically this, 5 to 10 inches, locally 15 inches of rain. East of Houston, west of New Orleans, higher amounts closer to the Gulf. Be mindful of that flash flooding and a risk of severe weather. There's spin in the atmosphere. It's a major hurricane, so some tornadoes are possible as it again makes a likely landfall sometime either late tonight, tomorrow morning.